Hi guys, welcome back to our new project. It's a 3-bed bungalow conversion. We will be increasing from a 3-bed to a 5-bed with a large kitchen diner extension out the back. Let's go in and show you around. This is the existing living room, which we're going to convert into one of the 3 downstairs bedrooms with an ensuite shower. Obviously the chimney breast will have to come out. So this will be bedroom number 2. We're going to steal some of the bedroom for the staircase to take us up to bedroom 4 and 5. And this built-in cupboard will go to give us some more space. This is bedroom number 3. The window will need to be moved onto the side of the property once the garage has been moved forward. And just like the previous bedroom, this cupboard will be removed. This old bathroom is going to come out. It's going to be part hallway and part utility room, so someone can walk from the front door all the way through to the kitchen diner at the rear of the property. And this is the existing small 3rd bedroom, which we're going to convert into the family bathroom. Into the old kitchen and dining room. So this wall on the right hand side is going to come down, and we're going to open up and extend out all the way to the side of the bungalow, creating a very large kitchen diner. If you want to follow our progress, hit subscribe and we'll see you on the next video.